Hi, this is a C30 wood chipper shredder that I just put together. It's already assembled, but there's a few things I wanted to tell you about it. First thing is that it uses 3 different size bolts. 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, and 13 millimeter. And goes together pretty easily. The first thing I did was attach this base, and then I put the wheels on with Carter pins, and then I put the chute on. And I had a problem with the chute. If you look right here, there's a slot, and I had to put that slot in there. It wasn't there, and without it, that thing won't assemble. So these are 10 millimeter bolts. These are 12 millimeter on the head. Where is it? Right there, that's the head. And these are 13 millimeter here. And so after this chute went on, this goes on. And now you can use the wrenches that come with it. They work fine. But if you have a few tools, you can speed the process up dramatically. If you had a universal and an extension and a ratchet and a socket, you could spin these on quite nicely, as well as all these, and that will speed the thing up dramatically. When I came up here to put the handle on, that's the last thing you do. I had trouble getting this bolt right here in, and I had to run a drill through here. These are 10 millimeter on both sides, and if you notice, this is centered in there, and this one is not. So I'm not sure why that is, but as long as they're centered, you can get a socket on that. This one I had to put a screwdriver flat there to be able to tighten the nut. And then the only other thing that's worth mentioning is that when you put the air cleaner on, this takes the head off the air cleaner, the cover, and you'll see 2 10 millimeter bolts that hold this, 2 10 millimeter nuts that hold this onto the carburetor. And down underneath here, there's a bracket that needs to be attached. This is it right here. And there's a bolt right here. That's the only one that's not appropriate to the wrenches that they send. You'll need a little, I don't remember what that is. And then this bolts in here. So I had to take that back apart. It's no problem, but anyway, that's that. And then of course, this hose right here comes from the over here. The cylinder head goes into here. I'm having trouble with the camera. Goes right into here. That's all pretty standard. And then we put oil in. The oil fill is right here. And if you read the manual, they want oil about halfway up the dipstick kind of thing. And then here's the off-on switch. Here's the fuel off-on over here. And they tell me that's the on position. Oh, one other thing. This is a choke lever. It doesn't come installed. You have to install the choke lever before you install this air filter assembly, because this little clip, that silver clip right there, that holds the choke lever in place. So with that, we're ready to start this. I don't know how it's going to go, but hopefully it'll go fine. Hey, I hope you enjoy this. Okay, this thing started on the first pull. I can't believe it. The very first pull. Okay, we're going to throw some brush in it and see what it does. Okay, there you go. Seems like it's going fine. Okay, here we go with this fairly big one, not terribly